All right, so this is the new launcher on the box. Um, you should look, you'll have different apps. They're basically in alphabetical order, but the thing to do is MB is one of the apps we're going to use a lot. So click and hold on it and scroll down, and you'll see it says reorder. Click on that. Then you'll see it kind of like that. We'll do the same thing with the other one. All right, and then you can do it with Sparkle as well, so that you, otherwise it's all the way down here. So you can definitely do it with that one too. This is where you'll go to settings. This app called OnStream, and this one that's called HDO Box just has a big H. And this one are they're for movies and shows on demand, but they are not something we control. They're basically there, so if you want to see something, like if you're willing to watch a movie that's in the theater currently, or if you're looking for things that are, if you can't find what you want in MB, sometimes you can find it here. You can also request stuff from me. Since you don't have an email, I'm assuming you don't have a Facebook account, but you can always send me a text and say, hey, I'm looking for this. You can tell me. When you do, please let me know if it's a series or a movie. And if you know the year, that's helpful, because it's amazing how many people request stuff. And then I go to look it up and find that there's like 6 movies with that name or something. So, like I said, a lot of these apps, this is my personal box, so yours is going to be different. Your background may change colors. You can do whatever. You can change your background if you want. If you get into that, you would come down here and do it right here under the, oops, sorry for the crude video here. And so like you can click on appearance. And then you can change, there, and I don't know what Unsplash is. Some of these, this is a new launcher for us, a new look. It kind of simplifies things, and that's kind of why we use it. Because if you go to the old one, the standard look for the Google boxes, it has tons of ads and just lots of different things, and people get really confused by it all. But it's just here's the Play Store. This app right here called SportsFire, this is for watching sports. You typically open it up, and then schedule is where you'll always go. You can go here to channels, but schedule usually works better. And then here you can just see any game that's on if you're into sports. I'm not, but I know a lot of customers are. This app right here, if you like to watch YouTube, this is great because you can watch YouTube videos without any commercials, without any interruption. So it makes it really nice. And then here's the Play Store if you needed to access it for any reason. And that kind of gives you that. And then the Sparkle app, I'm going to get you all set up with it. What we're going to do is I'm going to send you a video, and I'm going to send you a link, information to type in. Let me know how it goes for a day or so. If it works really good for you, great, we'll keep it. If it doesn't, we can try a different one, okay?